Welcome back to my channel. Today we shall be cooking very delicious fried rice. So let's prep a chicken and gizzard for the fried rice. If you're new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button to get subscribed to this channel. Thank you so much. So let's prep our chicken and gizzard for this fried rice. We're going to season this chicken, add curry, thyme, salt, garlic powder, and then we'll also add a chicken seasoning cubes. Stir properly. I'll also add my blended fresh pepper and onions. This is hot pepper. It's optional. If you don't like hot pepper, you should skip this. So we'll cover to cook while we prepare our vegetables for the fried rice. Green pepper, prepare our onions, carrots, green peas, sweet corn. So let's cook the food. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, do well to hit the subscribe button, as this means a lot to me. Thank you so much. So we've added a vegetable oil, then also add butter, because I wouldn't like this rice to get burnt. Add a chopped onions, stir, let's fry the vegetables before merging both. Put the vegetables and rice together. We're going to merge both rice and vegetables together. This enables the rice to last longer. Basically, I'll scoop some rice and vegetables, then merge both together just by frying. If you love this video, kindly like and share. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I publish a new video. So our fried rice is ready and it's super delicious.